Today, I'll show you my unique process for making a cool diagonal stripe seamless pattern repeat using Procreate. It's easy to do, even if you're a beginner. Let's begin. Open the Procreate app and create a new canvas. Make any size square canvas. I am choosing 2000 pixels by 2000 pixels. The colour profile is optional, but generally you would choose CMYK if you are printing your designs, and RGB if your design will be used for a screen. Now tap Create. Choose any two colours you want. The colours I am using are on the screen if you would like to use the same as me. Fill the layer with the first colour by dragging the colour onto the layer, or by tapping the layer and selecting Fill Layer. Add a new layer by tapping the plus icon. Select the second colour and fill the new layer with this chosen colour. Now, select the Transform tool and rotate 45 degrees. Then, select the Freeform option. Next, tap Snapping and make sure that Magnetics and Snapping are on. We also need to make sure that distance and velocity are set to full. With the layer still selected, drag the layer from the bottom left corner until it snaps into the centre of the canvas. Next, we'll extend the remaining layer edges beyond the canvas borders. Tap the Transform tool to deselect it. Now, tap the Layers icon and it will reveal our two layers. Swipe right on the second layer and group these layers by tapping Group. Collapse the group, swipe left and duplicate. Select the first group, swipe left and lock. Then untick the layer to hide it. This is now your template to make initial colour changes. Now, select and tap the duplicated group and flatten. Duplicate this layer 3 times by swiping left and selecting Duplicate. With the top layer selected, swipe right on the 3 remaining layers. All 4 layers are now selected. Now, select the Transform tool and make sure that Uniform is selected. Now we will drag our selections up to centre from the bottom left corner until it snaps into centre place. Now, tap the Layers icon and swipe right on the bottom layer to deselect it. Go back and tap the Transform tool and drag the selections to the left until it snaps into place. Tap the Layers icon and swipe right on the third layer to deselect it. Select the Transform tool again and drag the selections down. Tap the Layers icon and swipe right on the second layer to deselect it. Tap the Transform tool and drag right until it snaps into place. With the layer still selected, select Flip Horizontal and Flip Vertical. Now, tap the Layers icon and select the third layer. You can utilise the visibility checkbox to make sure you have the right layer before proceeding. Then select the Transform tool and flip Horizontal and Flip Vertical. Once this is done, tap the Layers icon, swipe right on the 3 layers remaining, group and flatten, or a quick tip is to pinch all the layers together. Now this is the base tile. With this tile, I will show you how to get any size stripes that you want. Duplicate the base tile by swiping left and selecting Duplicate. Swipe right on the layer underneath, select the Transform tool and snap to centre from the top right corner. Tap the Layers icon and swipe right on the second layer to deselect it. Tap the Transform tool and drag the selection up until it snaps perfectly into place. Tap the Layers icon and flatten the 2 layers. With the layer selected, swipe left and duplicate. Tap the Transform tool and drag the layer to the right. Tap the layers icon and flatten both of the layers. Repeat this process until you have the scale you want. Another tip is to duplicate each size before scaling down and group these so that you have each size available to you for your digital and printing projects. And there you have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a like. And if you'd like to create more with me, consider subscribing to my channel for more creative ways to use Procreate. As always, stay inspired, keep creating, and never hesitate to embrace your unique style. Until next time, take care and happy creating.